Hi, on behalf of the Department of Computer Science, the value-added course on Python, you have learned it so far through the LMS platform. And today I have come here to explain the scope and the future directions of this particular course. So far through the LMS mode, you have learned the value-added course on data analysis using Python. Further, the Department of Computer Science is offering the data analytics course through interactive blended mode of online and offline mode of teaching. Let me brief about what is data analytics. So far, you have learned about what is data analysis. So further, we are going to learn about data analytics. I have briefed it already in the introduction video about data analytics is the scientific process of transforming data into insight for making better decisions. Analytics is the use of data, information technology, statistical analysis, quantitative methods, and mathematical or computer-based models to help the managers to gain, improve, and insight about their business operations and make them better. And why analytics is so important is that the opportunities for data analytics and big data are so huge, such as there are scope for determining credit risk, there is a scope for developing new medicines, finding more efficient ways to deliver products and services, preventing fraud, uncovering cyber threats, and retaining the most valuable customers. For these reasons, data analytics is being wanted. So far, you have learned in data analysis, which is the process of examining, transforming, and arranging raw data into a specific way in order to generate useful information from it. Data analysis allows the evaluation of data through analytical and logical reasoning to lead to some sort of outcome or conclusion from the context. Data analysis is a multifaceted process that involves a number of steps and approaches and derives the techniques, whereas data analysis is dealing with the past data to explain how and why what had happened. On the other hand, the data analytics deals about future, explores the potential future events and what could happen. Based on these categories, normally data analytics is broadly categorized into two major classification, namely qualitative and quantitative, where qualitative deals with intuition plus analysis, where quantitative deals with the formulas and algorithm. So based on these definition, data analytics can be broadly classified into four major categories, namely descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. You will be learning more about all these things in the blended mode of course. Primarily, I'll give you some basic definition about these four classification of data analytics, whereas descriptive analytics deals with what happened. So this actually is data analysis part, which you have learned using Python so far in LMS. And in the diagnostic analytics, we are going to check why it happened. And in the predictive analytics, we are going to predict the future, what will happen. And in the prescriptive analytics, we'll be dealing about how we can make it happen. So all these are the future directions of the data analysis using Python. So Python is a tool which can be used for data analytics in an extensive way. And this particular course can be learned by the value-added course, which is going to be offered through blended mode, through interactive as well as offline classes. And I welcome all of you to join this particular course on data analytics to learn it more interactive and in a practical oriented way. Thank you.